Hello guys, welcome to Mommy Mila's vlog. So here we go again. So we are now in Hidden Garden at Vigan City, Ilocos Sur. So inside this place, you can see a lot of ornamental plants. So different kinds of plants, bonsai. So yan. So Hidden Garden at Vigan City, Ilocos Sur is one of their tourist spots that you could visit. So, marami kayo makikita dito. So, ma-amaze kayo sa ganda ng Hidden Garden. This is the Hidden Garden. So as you enter here in Hidden Garden, kala mo parang malit lang siya. But as you walk into their place, look, mamangha ka kasi it's too big pala sa loob. So if you are a nature lover, mahilig ka sa mga halaman, plantitos and plantitas ka, I recommend to visit this Hidden Garden. So, maraming area or spots na pwede kang mag-picture. So, it is Instagrammable talaga siya. Yan. So, another spot here. So, of course, when you visit the Hidden Garden, do not leave your husband unattended, okay? So, they have also a bagnet sisig. So, in this area, this is the plant world. So you can see here the ornamental plants, souvenirs, and bonsai garden. So yan. So this one is the bonsai corner. Ayan. If you are a bonsai lover, so here you can visit the Hidden Garden. Puro bonsai lang to. So guys, so another area na naman to. So if you like fresh fruits shake, marami din po dito. Kasi may kainan na din siya. Wow, you look at that. Bonsai na. Wow, aray ko po. Ayan, may bako pa din. May...
Uy, sayang, bawal po.
Wow. So, palibot lang to guys. Ayan, nalabas na tayo. So, yung mga kasama ko, the RSPC qualifiers, and the spas. Okay, RSPC qualifiers, visit the Hidden Garden of Vigan. So ayun nga guys, after 17 years, I'm finally back at Vigan City, Ilocos Sur. So thank you for watching my mini vlogs. Please subscribe. Bye!